Hey everyone, Xiaomi has just launched the Redmi Y2, the company's latest selfie focused smartphone in India. This is the same rebranded version of Redmi S2 which was introduced in China last month. Talking about the specifications of the device features a 5.99-inch HD plus display which has a 18:9 aspect ratio and has a 2.5D curved glass display. The device is powered by a 2 GHz Snapdragon 625 processor with Adreno 506 GPU. The device will be available in two storage variants. That is, one is a 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, and another is 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. The device is powered by an Android 8.1 Oreo with MIUI 9 on top of it, and it would be upgraded to MIUI 10 as soon as it's available. The Y2 features a dual SIM slot with a dedicated micro SD slot as well. Talking about the camera, the Y2 has a 12 megapixel rear camera with LED flash along with a secondary 5 megapixel camera to capture depth information for AI portrait shots. There is a 16 megapixel front facing camera as well with soft LED flash that supports AI beauty feature and auto HDR. The Xiaomi Redmi Y2 comes in elegant gold, rose gold, and dark grey color variants and is priced at 9,999 for 3 gigabits of RAM and 32 gigabytes of internal storage, while the 4 gigabytes of RAM with 64 gigabytes of internal storage is priced at 12,999. The device will be available exclusively from Amazon.in and me.com starting June 12th. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more such videos.